Hey, you guys. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to class. Like I said yesterday, I wasn't going to be here today, and so I do expect all of you to be on your best behavior. If you are not, you will be receiving lunch attention when I come back, and you will receive a phone call home. So make sure that that is not happening for you and that you are staying on top of everything the way you usually do, even when I'm there. So let's get started. Today, our warm up, as always, should be a half page response. If you do not have a half page response when I grade it on Monday, then you will definitely be having points taken off. And remember, your guys' progress reports come out next Friday. So you don't want to have those points taken off. But anyways, for today, I want you to write about moving to another city or neighborhood. What was that like? Did you like anything about that experience? Did you not like something about that experience? And then if you've never moved, what is one place that you'd like to move to and why? And even if you have moved, if you are looking to figure out what else to write about in terms of your half page response, you can also tell me about a place that you would like to move to and why. And it can literally be anywhere in the world. Tell me about whatever adventure you would like to go on or live in, etc., etc. So anyways, go ahead and pause this video right now so that you guys can write out your response. And then when you're done, please come back. I will explain the rest of the assignment for today. Okay, so welcome back, everybody. For today, your assignment is going to post on Google Classroom. So if you do not have a Google Classroom code, it is located in the back of the classroom on top of the board that is titled American Literature, or I will also briefly display it right now so that you guys can see it, take a picture of it, join my class. But your assignment, and this is important, is going to be on a website called CommonLit. So commonlit.com, there is going to be a link posted on Classroom though that you have to click on in order to join my specific classroom and my specific assignment on the Declaration of Independence. So let me show you guys what that will look like. So on Classroom, once I get out of here, it'll say this assignment is due on 9/13, although if you finish it earlier, the better because you have a separate assignment due for tomorrow. You're going to click the attached link to create an account, and you're going to be able to access the assignment. So once you click on it, you'll go someplace new that looks a little bit like this. And you can actually just go ahead and log in with Google, which I will do. And I'm going to click My Account. You're going to give it a second. Okay, and obviously mine is going to look different than all of your guys's, but if as you guys can see, all of your guys's names have already been logged into here. So I'm already waiting for your assignment to get turned in. And so what it is it's going to be called the Declaration of Independence. And so when you click on it, it's going to be a short excerpt out of the Declaration of Independence. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to, of course, be reading it. And as you're reading, I do want you to take some annotations. Let's go ahead and skip this. You're going to take some annotations. I want you to primarily focus on the first part. Okay, these two first paragraphs right here, which tell you all about your rights, the rights that you are endowed to under the Declaration of Independence. Try and see if you can find any irony. There's definitely a lot of irony in there. And then all these reasons right here that they list as to why they wanted to create their own country. Also down here, there's some notes, definitions, footnotes, etc., etc. If you do not understand a word, you're welcome to look there. But I am expecting you guys to have some annotations. I'm going to expect you to have 5 annotations for this whole thing in order to receive full credit for the annotations. You're also going to be doing some guiding questions. As you're reading, you'll see a little button maybe like this. I don't know what it's going to look like for you guys, but I am having you guys do the guiding questions. And then at the end, there will be some assessment questions that you will be answering. And there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for those. Discussion questions, I want you to give me a brief answer to all of these. Okay. And then there's only 2 discussion questions, 5 assessment questions. I need 5 annotations. And then your guiding questions that you will answer. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as you are reading. Okay. This should take you all period. I know some of you guys will be in and out taking your pictures for today. So if you do not finish this today, I will accept it tomorrow as well. But I will not accept it for full complete credit after Friday. I am expecting this to be done before you go off for the weekend. If by some reason you do finish early, you are welcome to go back. I left your guys' assignments from earlier in the week, but you're welcome to go back and finish your 1-pager on the U.S. Constitution. And for those of you that don't remember, or those of you that weren't here, this is what that looks like. So I assigned different sections to each table. If you don't know what section you are assigned, it's on the table in marker, or you can ask someone at your table to figure out what section to focus on, because you're not reading the entire Constitution. And basically what you're doing is on a blank sheet of paper that I handed out to all of you, you're going to write the title, which is U.S. Constitution, whatever section you're focusing on. You're going to find some irony, and we took notes on irony earlier last week, so look for your notes. You're going to tell me a little bit about the theme, and then a vocab word that you do not understand, or if you can find some ethos, logos, and pathos. But I would say vocab word might be the best. And then at the bottom, I do need about a 3-sentence summary of your section. What is it saying? And so this is, if you need to finish this, I know a lot of you guys did not get to finish. These are all on my desk, and you can ask the sub for your copy in order to finish it. So that's it for today. Declaration of Independence on Common Lit, warm up, and if you finish, U.S. Constitution 1-pager. All right, you guys. I hope you have a nice rest of your day. There will be another video with tomorrow's assignment, so make sure you watch it. Bye.